Hey! It looks like a few minutes ago you went to the homemade beauty recipes page. You wanted to get the ebook, but somehow, you didn't get it. I just wanted to make sure that you know what is inside it. So, I am going to kind of open it up now and show you what is inside the homemade beauty recipes for your face 2.0 pack, and how it's gonna help you fight skin problems and become more beautiful, naturally. If you read some of the reviews on that page, you would notice a few things. Omotayo Balogun from the United Kingdom said that before she got the book, she didn't know that she could do so much with ingredients lying in her kitchen. After reading the book, she tried one of the recipes and her skin looked great. Also, Elaine Reeves testified that she had pimples on her face. After reading the ebook, she tried one of the recipes and saw tremendous changes. There are thousands of others who have benefited from this book like them. Now, as you go through the ebook, you'll discover that it's basically broken down into two parts. The first part is completely about different beauty recipes for your face and all other information that'll drive you from a novice to a natural skincare expert in almost no time. The second part of this ebook itemized in detail the specific ingredients required and further shares 5 must-know absolute secrets to treating particular types of tough facial skin problems. A lot of people are facing different kinds of skin problems. Some have been through a lot like myself, which left their skin rough and scarred or things like that, and one common question that runs through their minds is what to do about their situation. This ebook here simplifies the process for you by placing before you the secret formula. Not just that, it shares with you how to get the magic tools plus how to use them to bring about the best results for your skin. Every skin problem has some unique approach to its treatment. As you go through this ebook, you will discover the different unique formulae for different skin problems. For instance, the book tells you, if you have acne scars, here's the formula. If you have wrinkles, sunburns, blackheads, brown or black spots, here are the solutions, and so forth. So in essence, you can look through the ebook and see which part of it is best suitable for you and follow that formula. The interesting thing is that we have also added a lot of bonuses to make sure that you gain maximum values from buying this product. One of the bonuses you will find is on stretch marks. We included this because we know that it is one of the most common skin problems people are facing, and the sad news is that there are too many myths about stretch marks. It's almost like no one can explain it, and some people have accepted that there is no solution to it. This book is going to separate you from the crowd by opening your eyes to a new world of realities and teach you some amazing facts you never really know about stretch marks and how to deal with them. We also adopted this similar approach in developing our second bonus, the Acne Permanent Cure, plus the 25 health and beauty tutorials and lesson notes. I could go on and on and on. The contents of this product we are offering you cannot be fully discussed even in a 2-hour-long video. I still believe that you should give these books a chance to change your appearance and turn you into a piece of admiration by making your skin awesome and beautiful. As we always say, if you check this book out and it turns out that you don't love it, send an email to info@skincareangels.com or call us on 754-600-2160 and we will refund your money through the same method you paid us. It is as simple as clicking a button. Click the button below to get your copy now.